the application scientist at Surface Measurement System. In this video, I would like to show you how to calculate the permeability with the thin film sample on a DVS instrument. And here I would like to use the DVS intrinsic for the demonstration. Before starting the experiment, let me show you some tools and the pencil used for the experiment. We can either use the tool for the holes in the rubber ball, or we can use the other tools from the market to cut the samples. For the pencil, we have two sizes, the small pencil and the large pencil. For the system with low mass balance, we can only use the small pencil, and for the system with high mass balance, we can use both pencils. The pencil is composed of three parts: the bottom cap, the top cap, and two rubbers to seal the sample. To start the experiment, first we need to put the empty pencil and then put it directly on the pen. We can either put the sample on the pen, or we can use the pencil holder to put it directly on the hang-down wire. With the pencil holder, we can either fold it up and then put it on the hang-down wire, or we can put it the other way around, upside down, and then put it on the hang-down wire. We put the same amount of counterweight on the reference side and then tell the balance. And then we take the pencil out, open the pencil, put the sample in the middle of two rubber rings, and close the pencil with the top. When it's fully sealed, we need to put the pencil back into the system. And then record the initial mass. And finally, we need to set up the method, load the method, and start the experiment. From the final result, we can calculate the permeability of this thin film sample. That's all for the video today. Thank you for listening. If you have any further questions related to the permeability measurement or the pencil, welcome to visit our website at www.surfacemeasurementsystem.com or send us email. Thank you.